Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 20C from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 17. Each wheel of a car is of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? There is a car and each wheel has a diameter 80 centimeter. Okay, so diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make? So each wheel, that is one wheel, will make how many revolutions they have asked. So number of revolutions, let's say it is n. We need to find out the number of revolutions made by each wheel in 10 minutes. So time is given 10 minutes. When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. So speed is 66 km per hour. This is the given information. Diameter of wheel दिया है, time दिया है, speed दिया है. We need to find out the number of revolutions made by the wheel. First, let us figure out how to solve the problem and then we'll solve with proper steps. ठीक है? So let's say that this is the distance that the wheel has to cover. Okay, so some point A से लेके Z तक distance cover करना है. ठीक है? Now let's say this is the wheel and this is the point, the black part जो mark किया है, वहां से the wheel is starting revolving. Okay, revolution start करेगा. So जब एक revolution करेगा तो एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो पूरा सर्कमफ्रेंस कवर करेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स से इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए. ओके, पॉइंट ए से स्टार्ट किया रिवॉल्व करना. इट विल रिवॉल्व एंड वन रेवोल्यूशन विल कंप्लीट एट दिस पॉइंट. दैट सेम पॉइंट जहां से स्टार्ट किया था वहीं पे एक रेवोल्यूशन खत्म होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर वन रेवोल्यूशन इज मेड. So in one revolution, the wheel is covering this much distance. What is the distance? ये पूरा circumference, right? The border of the wheel, that is nothing but circumference. So circumference is nothing but pi d. So in one revolution, the wheel is covering this much distance, that is the circumference. ओके, दो रेवोल्यूशंस में कितना होगा? 2 times द सर्कमफ्रेंस. 3 रेवोल्यूशंस में 3 times द सर्कमफ्रेंस. 10 रेवोल्यूशंस में 10 times द सर्कमफ्रेंस, राइट? सो n रेवोल्यूशंस में it will be n times the circumference. That will be the distance covered, right? This is the distance covered. So यहां से यहां तक let's say n revolutions है, then n revolutions में it will cover the distance n times the circumference, right? ये 1 time the circumference, फिर वापस से 2 times the circumference, फिर 3 times the circumference. So n revolutions में n times the circumference. So distance is n times the circumference. Okay. Now circumference will be pi d. Okay, तो ये मैं find out कर सकती हूँ. Okay, this I can easily find out. Now I am given time and speed also, right? Time and speed भी दिया हुआ है. I know speed is distance upon time. So I can say distance is speed into time. Correct? So distance is n times the circumference. Distance is also equal to speed into time. So LHS same है. RHS भी सेम होगा. So I can say n into c is equal to s into t. That is the distance covered is this and distance covered is this as well. So basically n into c is equal to s into t. Okay, c I can easily find out because pi constant है, d का वैल्यू पुट करना है. Okay, so this I can easily find out. Speed and time भी दिया हुआ है. So I can easily find out the number of revolutions made by each wheel, right? Very important part, units सारा different है, so convert the units, please convert the units first, okay? So it's your choice अभी कैसे conversion करना है, okay? You can convert this into meter per second, तो इसको भी मीटर करना पड़ेगा, इसको सेकेंड करना पड़ेगा, that is what I am going to do, okay? इसको मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, so this will be 66 into 5 by 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड, करेक्ट? so जो भी वैल्यू मिलेगा स्पीड का मिल जाएगा मीटर पर सेकेंड में, ओके? टाइम, ये मीटर पर सेकेंड में है तो मिनट्स को भी सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करना है, so it will be 10 into 60, correct? so 1 minute is 60 seconds, 10 into 60, so 600 seconds हो जाएगा. डायमीटर 80 सेंटीमीटर है, छोटे से बड़ा यूनिट यू ऑलवेज डिवाइड, सो डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 सेंटीमीटर मेक्स 1 मीटर, ओके? सो ये 4/5 मिलेगा, ये 600 मिलेगा, एंड दिस विल बी 6 3s are 6 11s are, so 55/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो स्पीड मीटर पर सेकेंड में है, ये सेकेंड्स में है, ये मीटर्स में है. नाउ द यूनिट आर सेम, ओके? सो नाउ यू कैन सॉल्व. सो ये वैल्यूज, ये कन्वर्जन्स करना पड़ेगा, एंड देन यू विल पुट द वैल्यूज एंड फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस मेड बाय ईच व्हील. ऑलराइट, आई विल रिपीट. We are given the diameter, time and speed. We know that in one revolution the wheel covers the distance, that is the circumference of the wheel, okay? The distance covered is nothing but the circumference of the wheel. N revolutions में it is going to cover the distance n times the circumference, okay? So distance is n into circumference. I also know that speed is equal to distance upon time, so distance is speed into time, right? So distance is equal to speed into time, distance is also equal to n times the circumference, therefore both are equal. Equating and solving, I'll get the number of revolutions, ठीक है? So let us solve now with proper steps. For each wheel we know the diameter is 80 centimeter. Diameter सेंटीमीटर में है, मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ओके? So it will be 80 upon 100 meter. Smaller to bigger unit you always divide, okay? So that will give 4/5 meter. All right, this is the diameter of the wheel. Using the diameter I can easily find out the circumference of the wheel. So circumference of the wheel is pi d, which is 22 upon 7 into 4/5 meter. Keep it as it is, okay? Don't solve, as it is रखो, बाद में cancellations होगा. So this is the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution, right? So distance covered by the wheel in one revolution is nothing but circumference of the wheel. So that is 22 upon 7 into 4/5 meter. This is the distance covered in one revolution. In n revolutions, it will be n times the circumference, right? So let's say that the wheel is making n revolutions. So let each wheel make n revolutions to cover the total distance, okay? पूरा डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए n revolutions एक व्हील कर रहा है, ठीक है? So distance covered by each wheel in n revolutions is n times the circumference, which is n times 22 upon 7 into 4 by 5 meter. This is nothing but the total distance covered by the wheel, right? So total distance covered is nothing but this, right? So it is n times 22 upon 7 into 4 by 5. Now we are getting the total distance covered as this, right? So this is the total distance covered by each wheel. Now students keep in mind, हर एक wheel same distance travel करेगा, ठीक है? So if this is the car and this car is going from here to here, okay, then ये wheels जितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा, आगे का व्हील्स भी उतना ही डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा, ठीक है? सेम डिस्टेंस ही ट्रैवल होगा. अगर ये यहाँ पे व्हील्स है, ओके, सो यहां से यहां तक ये आगे का व्हील ने यहां तक ट्रैवल किया है और ये पीछे का व्हील ने यहां तक ट्रैवल किया है, ओके. सो डिस्टेंस अगर तुम देखो दोनों का सेम होगा, ओके. द रेयर व्हील्स का डिस्टेंस एंड फ्रंट व्हील का डिस्टेंस सेम ही होगा, ऑलराइट. So the distance covered by the car is nothing but the distance covered by each wheel, alright. So this is the distance covered by each wheel. Now we can easily find out the distance covered by the car because we know the speed and time. So speed and time लिखते हैं and let's do the conversions first, alright. So speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. Let's convert it to meter per second. So 66 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 6 3s are 6 11s are, so 55 by 3 meter per second. टाइम मिनट्स में दिया है, so it is 10 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 10 minutes is 10 into 60, which is 600 seconds, okay. This is in meter per second, this is in seconds, okay. So distance जो भी मिलेगा मीटर में मिलेगा, ठीक है. I can easily find out the distance traveled by the car. It is going to be speed into time. So write down the formula first. Speed of the car is distance covered upon time taken. So distance covered is nothing but speed of the car into time taken. So distance covered is speed into time. Okay, I'm not writing the entire thing. Speed मुझे पता है, it is 55 by 3 and time is 600. All right. So I am getting 55 into 200 as it is. रखो इसको. Distance covered by the car is this in meter. Distance covered by the car is nothing but distance covered by each wheel. Okay, so both are equal. So equating this, we'll find out the number of revolutions made by each wheel. All right. Distance covered by the car is equal to distance covered by each wheel, that is the total distance covered by each wheel. Distance covered by the car we got as 55 into 200, correct? And distance covered by each wheel was n times the circumference, which is n into 22 upon 7 into 4 by 5, right? ये solve करते हैं. Let's shift the numbers on the other side. So 55 into 200, denominator वाला numbers numerator में चला जाएगा, correct? And numerator वाला denominator में. So 2 11s are, 2 100s are, 11 5s are, then 4 25s are, correct? So we are getting 25 and 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 25, 625 into 7. So 625 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 14, 15, 16, 17, 43, 4375. Okay, so n is 4375. Box the answer. Write down the final statement. The number of revolutions made by each wheel is 4375. All right. Let's solve the next question. Question number 18. Let's solve the next question. Question number 18. An express train is running between two stations with a uniform speed. If the diameter of each wheel of the train is 42 centimeter and each wheel makes 1200 revolutions per minute, find the speed of the train. First we'll see what all information we have, then we'll see कैसे solve करना है, and then we'll solve with proper steps. Okay, so first let us understand कैसे solve करना है. Diameter of each wheel of the train is given. It is 42 centimeter. And each wheel makes 1200 revolutions per minute. So number of revolutions per minute is 1200. Find the speed of the train. It's very easy. Okay, speed find out करना है, train का speed find out करना है, then kilometer per hour में होगा. Okay, so train है, aeroplane है, all these are very fast moving objects. तो speed हमेशा kilometer per hour में find out करना है. Okay, unless and until you are told to find in some other unit, then otherwise kilometer per hour. ठीक है, तो ये kilometer per hour में find out करना है. Speed is distance upon time, right? Now again we'll try to understand कि कैसे solve करना है. The wheels are going to revolve and cover some distance, right? So distance find out करने के लिए revolutions, circumference सब consider करना है, right? So again we'll consider a wheel. This is the starting point, right? So wheel will start revolving from here and one revolution में, one revolution यहीं से start होके यहीं पे end होगा, right? So one revolution में we know it is going to cover a distance which is nothing but circumference, right? So one revolution में one times the circumference, two revolutions में two times the circumference, three revolutions में three times the circumference. So total distance is nothing but number of revolutions into the circumference, right? I need to find out the distance, है ना? Over here you are given the number of revolutions. The number of revolutions per minute is 1200. Okay, so distance per minute का बात हो रहा है. Distance per minute will be 1200 revolutions into the circumference, correct? Per minute 1200 revolutions है, so per minute distance will be 1200 into circumference is nothing but pi d, which is 22/7 into the diameter. Okay, over here we need to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. तो सेंटीमीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. ओके, सो कन्वर्जन्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओवर, कन्वर्जन नहीं किया तो आंसर पूरा रॉन्ग आ जाएगा. सो 42 है, सेंटीमीटर से पहले मीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. ओके, सो 100 centimeter is 1 meter, so you will divide by 100. Smaller to bigger unit you divide. And किलोमीटर में करना है, मीटर से किलोमीटर, then again divide. 1000 meters 1 kilometer, so divide by 1000. So 42 divided by 10 raised to 5 is the diameter of each wheel, right? Now this is in kilometer. So ये value put करना है यहाँ पे. Okay, distance per minute will be this. I'll repeat, distance is nothing but n times c, that is number of revolutions into the circumference. So distance per minute will be 1200 revolutions into the circumference. Distance per hour क्या होगा? 1 minute में इतना distance है, then 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes, right? 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. So distance per hour is nothing but this into 60. So 60 into 1200 into 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 10 raised to 5. ये सॉल्व करके मुझे डिस्टेंस पर आर मिलेगा, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम मिलेगा, दैट इज नथिंग बट द स्पीड, राइट? सो बहुत ही इजी है, ओके? नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन से रिलेट करना है डिस्टेंस को, ओके? एक बार मिल गया, देन मिनट को आर में कन्वर्ट करो, ओके? सो आई रिपीट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. डायमीटर ऑफ द व्हील इज गिवन, तो व्हील का डायमीटर हम लोग किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बिकॉज स्पीड हम लोग को किलोमीटर पर आर में फाइंड आउट करना है. नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस पर मिनट इज गिवन, दैट इज 1200. स्पीड फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ वी नो वन रेवोल्यूशन इज नथिंग बट द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द व्हील. n revolutions, okay, will give me the total distance. So distance is nothing but number of revolutions into the circumference, okay? Distance per minute I can easily find out because I know the number of revolutions made by the wheel per minute, okay? So it is 1200 into the circumference. So this is the distance per minute. Distance per hour क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 60 into the distance per minute, right? 60 minutes make up 1 minute, 1 hour, sorry. So distance per hour is this. This is nothing but speed, right? So speed we'll get solving this, all right? किलोमीटर पर आवर में मिलेगा, all right? Very very easy. Now keep in mind students, जो भी distance हम लोग consider करते हैं wheel का, the distance made by each wheel is same as the distance covered by the entire vehicle, okay? So whenever we are talking about distance traveled by the car, we are or train, whatever, whichever vehicle, the distance traveled by any vehicle is equal to the distance traveled by each wheel, okay? So यहाँ पे जब distance traveled by wheel consider कर रहे हैं, that is also the distance traveled by the entire vehicle, all right? So for the wheel, we are given the diameter, it is 42 centimeter. किलोमीटर में convert करना है, so 42 upon 1 lakh, right? So 1 lakh kilometer. This is the diameter of each wheel. So circumference भी find out कर सकते हैं हम लोग, right? Circumference of each wheel will be pi d, which is 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 1 lakh, okay? Kilometer, okay? So one revolution में wheel is going to cover this much distance and the wheel is making 1200 revolutions per minute. So 1200 में into 1200 होगा, okay? So distance covered by each wheel in one revolution is nothing but circumference, which is 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 1 lakh kilometer, okay? So distance covered by wheel in one revolution, distance covered by the wheel in 1200 revolutions will be 1200 into this distance, right? So distance, write down the entire thing students, I'm not writing down, ठीक है? In 1200 revolutions will be 1200 into circumference, which is 1200 into 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Now it is making 1200 revolutions in 1 minute, okay? So distance covered per minute is this, right? So इसके पहले सिर्फ एक बार स्टेटमेंट लिख लो, write down the statement. The wheel makes 1200 revolutions per minute. So therefore distance covered by wheel in 1 minute will be 1200 into 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Distance covered by the wheel in 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, will be 60 into this, right? So therefore distance, again I'm not writing the entire thing, in 1 hour will be 60 into 1200 into 22 upon 7 into 42 upon 1 lakh. Okay, so distance covered will be this. Cancellations करते हैं, 7 6 42, 3 zeros cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, and let's multiply this and divide by 100, easy हो जाएगा. Okay, so 6 into 6 36 into 12 into 22 divided by 100. All right, so 36 into 12, so 2 6 are 12, 7 0 over here 36, so 432, right? 432 into 22, 432 into 22, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, again same thing, right? So 9504 upon 100 kilometer. Distance covered by the wheel in 1 hour is this much, so that is nothing but 95.04 kilometer in 1 hour, that is kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the wheel. Okay, that is the speed of the train. So keep this in kilometer only. Okay, यहाँ पे किलोमीटर में ही रखो. This is the distance covered by the wheel in 1 hour. All right, after this you will add another statement. I'm not writing down over here. You will add the statement. The speed of the train is equal to the distance covered upon 1 hour, which is equal to 95.04 upon 1, which is 95.04 kilometer per hour. Okay, so I'll repeat. You'll write down speed of the train is equal to the distance traveled by the wheel upon 1 hour, which is equal to 95.04 upon 1, which is 95.04 kilometer per hour. All right.